Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing your Mac so the update finishes without surprises. Start a time machine backup now and confirm it completes. You'll thank yourself if something goes wrong. Next, check compatibility in About This Mac to ensure Monterey supports your model and clear 20 to 35 GB of free space. Temporary files expand during installation. Once done, plug into power, connect to a stable Wi-Fi, and open System Preferences to begin the download. This gets the process moving immediately. You'll initiate the download from System Preferences Software Update and click Update Now. The installer will verify and begin fetching the full package. While it downloads, keep the Mac awake and on power. Network drops can corrupt the download. Once the download finishes, the installer prepares the update and will prompt to restart. Allow it to run through multiple automated restarts and progress bars. During installation, don't interrupt. The system manages firmware updates and file migrations automatically to complete the upgrade reliably. After the installer finishes, you'll log back in and the Mac may run optimizations. Let it complete. Check Software Update again for supplemental updates and open your critical apps to confirm they run, update or reinstall any that fail. If you hit problems, boot into safe mode to isolate extensions, reset NVRAM or SMC for hardware oddities, and only then consider restoring from your time machine backup. If a firmware or boot error occurs, keep a backup and contact support. That's the key recovery path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.